This is a transformer with automatic built-in servo stabilizer of having a rating of 2.5 MVA with 9 to 12 kV input voltage range and 415 voltage as an output. The main feature of this built-in AVR is it has a transformer of 2.5 MVA which is of step-down type, and it is of energy efficiency level 2 having a off-circuit tap changer, and in case if required it can be separately bypassed from the whole system and can be used as a normal transformer. Some of the key features of this equipment are: it has a zero rundown system, like if the power goes off, the whole system will come down to zero position. Second, it has a stepless control. Third, it has a huge input voltage range. Like of this equipment, it covers from 9 kV to 12 kV. It gives a precise voltage, output voltage of 415 volts. Like the output is always precise. Fifth, it can be customized for even wider range. Some of the other benefits of this equipment are: the transformer can be utilized to the full capacity, means the transformer can be used for the full rating. Secondly, all of the correction of this equipment, all of the voltage correction is done on the HT side, like it is done before the transformer. Third, the response time of this equipment is spontaneous, like if the voltage, output voltage goes beyond 1%, it will start correcting spontaneously. Raw material used in these kind of built-in AVRs are: first, the carbon roller, which is made up of graphite and it has a high current carrying capacity. Second is copper conductor, which is made up of 99.99% electrolytic grade copper, which gives you a benefit of low copper loss. Then the core is made up of CRGO, which gives you low iron loss, and the whole system is sensed and controlled by smart microprocessor based controller. These kind of equipments can be offered in 11 kV, 22 kV and 33 kV class, and these kind of equipments can be offered in oil cooled as well as dry type. Then the transformer offered over here can be offered in off circuit as well as OLTC type, and the standard of this equipment is of IS standard, can be customized to IEC standard as well. And lastly, the equipment can be offered in single cubicle to 4 cubicles. This kind of equipment can be offered from 100 kVA to 5000 kVA up to 33 kV class, and the range of these kind of equipment can be as low as 6 kV for 11 kV class, and in 33 kV class it can go up to 40 kV. If you compare this kind of system with conventional type transformer with OLTC or transformer and having a servo stabilizer on the LT side, I will tell you key benefits of this kind of equipment, and in comparison to them, what additional features you will get. Suppose you have a transformer of OLTC type, it will correct a voltage in steps, whereas this kind of equipment will correct the voltage steplessly. Then the range of OLTC is limited. In this kind of equipment, you can get a wider range and you can get a customized range. Third, in that OLTC type transformer, each and every step is taken with sparks. That means you have to replace the oil of the OLTC after few cycles, and it will require a regular service, regular maintenance. In this kind of equipment, it is all sparkless, as the correction, as the rollers are on LT side, So it is sparkless mechanism, and it does not require any frequent maintenance, and it does not have a particular life cycle. It can be installed and a forget type of system. And if you compare this kind of equipment with LT side servo stabilizer and on HT side transformer, then the main benefit is, if you install the LT type servo stabilizer, then you cannot use the transformer to full capacity, and you will have to bear more losses as the current will be higher for the LT side. Whereas in this kind of equipment, correction is done on the HT side, so the losses are low and the transformer can be utilized to the full capacity, and overall system can be utilized to the full capacity. This kind of equipment requires hardly any service due to its robust design. And if you talk about its maintenance, it hardly requires a periodic maintenance. Only and only visual inspection of carbon rollers is required periodically. And if you talk about life of this kind of equipment, it's almost an average life of 25 years.